Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna Monet. If this is your first time here, then welcome, and if not, thank you so much for coming back to see me. So today I will be featuring this curly unit sent over from Beauty Forever. Thank you so much for sending over this unit for me to review. Here I'm just showing you a few items that came in the package. There was a wig cap and a headband, and of course the wig. Now I'm just going to show you how I prep my hair underneath these wigs, because I do get a few questions about that at times. So you can see here I'm starting off with 2 ponytails. My hair was freshly washed, so it was a little damp, and I'm just going in with this Mielle leave-in conditioner to comb through that ponytail, plait it up, and then I just crisscross them and bobby pin them down so my hair is flat as possible. This is pretty much how my hair is underneath all of my wigs. So this is my go-to, easy breezy, gets the job done. So you can see it comes with very pretty curls. This is their jerry curl texture, and I have her in 20 inches. And this is a fake scalp closure wig. So you see that little fake scalp portion underneath, and it comes with that little bit of lace for you to cut off. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. On the website, she is classified as a right side part, but really you can shift her any way you want to. Here I have her in the middle, here's the left, and then I will show you the right, and I'll also be styling her in a right side part as well. And because I did not wash the hair ahead of time, I'm just going to take this Dove dry shampoo and add a little bit. And it does leave these little white casts, but I just brush those out with my fingers and they go away. But dry shampoo is really good if your wig is too shiny, because as you can see, it's like a powder in a can, and it will dull the shine of the hair. Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Deanna Monet. If this is your first time here, I appreciate you clicking on this video. And for all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much, because we hit 5K. Like what? Like what? We hit 5K. It's crazy. I'm so thankful to all of you who enjoy my content, who constantly watch my reviews even when I'm uploading like crazy, who leave me likes, thumbs up, who leave me comments, who engage with me. I appreciate all of you so much. Like, you don't even understand. So giveaway details will definitely be coming soon. Thank you really so much. Okay, so now that we have addressed that, let's get into this hair, honey, that was sent over from Beauty Forever. I'm going to read you the specs for this unit straight from their website. So this is their Beauty Forever Jerry Curly Fake Scalp Wig, natural looking right side human hair wig. So that is the title for this unit. The specs on mine is 150% density, 20 inches long, and so the price for that unit is $159.04. The 10, 12, and 14-inch lengths are currently sold out during the time I recorded this video. So the shortest you can go right now is 16 inches, and that price is $120.75. I do think that price is very affordable, especially once I have received the hair, how it felt, the curl pattern. I definitely think it is worth the money. And of course, I will have a coupon code for you linked below, so check that out at the end of the video. As some of you may know, there is currently a lace shortage going on due to the pandemic, and where they create a lot of these lace frontals and HD lace units is North Korea, and they have currently closed their borders. So that is why there has been an increase in a lot of headband wigs and a lot of 4x4 closure wigs and a lot of fake scalp wigs because of the lace shortage. Now, I do really like the style of this unit. I love the curl pattern and this texture. It is very soft. It is like tangle free. As I was running my comb through it, as I'm running my hands through it, I'm not getting any tangles at all. Now, I did get some light shedding as I was combing it out, just kind of making it a little more fluffy, because you saw when I first put it on my head, it was kind of flat. So I did comb it out, tease it out, fluff it up, and so I did get a little bit of shedding when I did that, but that is very normal for a curly human hair unit. I would definitely consider this a beginner-friendly unit. You saw what I did. It was so easy, like so simple. It has a really nice luster to it. And also the density of it is 150, but once you fluff her out, baby, like, she is not to be played with. She is not to be messed with. I am currently wearing her as a right side part because that's how she was advertised. But I did show you in the beginning, you can shift her and really you can wear her any way you want. Let me see what she's looking like in the middle. Oh, yeah, so the middle part is cute too. Leave me a comment below. Let me know, do you prefer her as a middle part or you prefer her to the right or to the left? Now, this unit is 20 inches long. It is curly though, so you can see where it is stopping on me, right about this area here. And I do like the length of her. Let me turn around so you can see her from all angles. Now, for some of you who may not like the big fluffy look, you can definitely tame down these curls just by going in with some water, some mousse, some leave-in conditioner, anything you would use on your natural hair, on your curly hair, in your daily routine, you'll be able to use on this as well, because as I mentioned, it is human hair. So let's just go in and kind of tame those curls down a little bit. I'm going to take my new spray bottle that I got off of Amazon through the Hearts and Cakes 90, her Amazon affiliates account. She really likes this water bottle because I forget what it's called. It's called like Fluoresol or something, Fluoresol. And it's a continuous spray when you pump it out. So we're going to use this. And if you've been watching my channel, you know I have been loving this Aussie mousse. This is the Headstrong Value Mousse. And I have been loving how this is giving me the results on curly hair. So I'm just going to spray her with some water. And you can see the difference that made just by adding some water to her. Now I'm going to go in with this mousse. Seal the deal. Look at that. Gorgeous curls. Gorgeous curls. They're popping. So you can see the difference between the two sides. It's really a preference thing. How do you like to wear your hair? What kind of mood are you in? I'm going to do the same thing on this side, just so I'm not looking crazy for the rest of this video. Okay, so just for me going through that entire process with only my hands, I didn't use a comb or brush or anything. This is how much shedding I got. Let me know down in the comment section what kind of curly hair you prefer. Do you like the sleek, wet, mousse look, or do you like it big and fluffy and full? Once again, I would like to give a huge thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for sending over this unit to review. I think she is very cute, very low maintenance, and a great alternative. Maybe you're not really feeling the headband wigs, maybe you're over it. This is a great alternative to pick you up. It's basically like a closure unit or a lace part unit, but you get this gorgeous curly texture. As I mentioned, all the details for this unit, the coupon code, and the link will be in the description box below. So make sure you open it up, read that, check it out. I thank you so much for watching this video in full, for supporting my channel and rocking with me, and I will catch you in the next one.